Yeah, hello everyone, my dear friends, my dear viewers, my dear subscribers all over the world. My name is Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. I'm here again with another video, but on this episode, I'll be teaching you money management rules and then the importance of technical and fundamental analysis. Like 2 days ago, a subscriber from UK chatted me up on WhatsApp and said I should do something, I should do a video about money management rules and then technical and fundamental analysis, importance of technical and fundamental analysis for newbies. And here again with a video that will tell you how to manage your money in Forex and the importance of technical and then fundamental analysis. Firstly, I would like to use this page. What is a technical analysis? Technical analysis is the analysis that you do on your screen. You design by yourself. I mean the indicators you set on your screen, on your chart, to know whether to buy or to sell. That is a technical analysis. The strategy that I'm giving you to trade for buying and selling, that is what they call technical analysis. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis are the news that always comes out on daily basis that affected Forex, that has effect on Forex. I'm going to give non-farm payroll, that is NFP. I'm going to use it as an example. These are the news that normally comes out once a month, every first Friday of the month around 2:30. When the US release the news, it really has effect on Forex. It really has effect on Forex. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to trade NFP very soon, maybe after this video or in the nearest future. But for now, I'll be telling you that there is importance of technical analysis. The importance of technical analysis is because you have to know that this is where to buy, this is where to sell, and you have to know that naked chart always sometimes, if you are not a candlestick trader, maybe if you are not a candle pattern trader, it is good to have indicators on your chart to tell you where there is support or resistance, where to buy or to sell. But fundamental analysis, these news are very much important. Whenever you wake up in the morning as a Forex trader, you are going to check your Forex factory. There is an app that they call Forex Factory. Forex Factory. That Forex Factory is the one where you can check maybe there is news on US today, or maybe there is news on the pounds today, and the time the news will comes out. Guys, do not joke with fundamental analysis. Do not joke with news. Do not joke with news. News always has effect on Forex. It always has effect on Forex. And then I move again to money management rule. Money management rule. Any account that is lesser from $100, the lot size is 0.01. Any account that is lesser than from $100 account, assuming you have $100 account, $80 account, $50 account, $20 account, even $10 account, the lot size for this is 0.01. Is 0.01. Any lot size that is higher than this, maybe 0.002, 0.03 on $100 account, it is over trading. That is to say, you are risking more than 1% of your trade. The rules of this Forex is money management is when you have $100 account. That is when you can use 0.01. If you have a $200 account, that is when you can use 0.02. Now if you have $100 account and then you are using more, you have $100 account and you are using 0.02, definitely you are risking more than 1% of your account balance. So the rule says 1% of your account balance should be used to trade. When you have $300 account, if you have $300 account, your lot size is 0.03. On $400 account, or $400 account, 0.04. Or $500 account, or $500 account is 0.05. $500 account is 0.05. On 1,000 account, on $1,000 account is 0.10. Is 0.10. On 2,000 account, $2,000 account is 0.20. Then on $5,000 account, $5,000 account is 0.50. Then on $10,000 account, this one standard. It is one standard. Guys, there is difference between 0.01 and 1.00. This one here is one standard. It is what? One standard. I'm going to repeat again. On this 10,000 account, you're going to be using one standard, 1.00. That is one standard. There is difference between 0.01 and then 1.00. This one here is one standard. 2.00, it is two standard. When you have $20,000 account, that is 2.00 on $20,000 account. Now guys, I'm going to show you if you have a $200 account and you are using 0.05, you have gone beyond your 1% of the account balance. It can affect you guys. It can affect you. I can see a situation whereby someone has $50 account. Someone has $50 account and is using 0.10. That is too much. If market comes against you a little bit, because as we know these rules of market are forex trade, when you enter any trade, broker will surely deduct their own commission. You cannot enter forex and then it will turn to profit immediately. There should be minus, and whenever there is minus, if you use high lot, it might affect you. It might affect you. Now 0.10 is too much on this $50 account. 0.01, and you cannot use it more than one times. You cannot use it more than one times. Now I can see a situation whereby someone has a $300 and is using 0.10. It is still too much. 0.10 is still too much. That's greediness, guys. That is greediness. So when you have a $300, the highest lot is 0.03. If at all there is any lapses, maybe market comes against you a little bit, it won't blown up your account. This video is for newbies. Try to manage your money. Try to know money management rules in forex. I can see situation whereby some guys called me that they have a $1,000 account and they were using one standard. Guys, if this one standard, if market comes against you a little bit, is going to blown up this your account. Is going to blown up this your account. And again, I want to tell you that whenever you have $100 account and you use 0.01, 10 pips will give you $1. 10 pips will give you $1. Let me repeat again. Whenever you use 0.01, 0.01, 10 pips will give you $1. And whenever you have you use 0.02, whenever you use 0.02, 10 pips will give you $2. You know, Forex has been calculated by pips. Now, whenever you use 0.03, 10 pips will give you $3. And so on and so forth. And whenever you use 0.05, 10 pips will give you $5. $5, and so on and so forth. And if you use one standard, that is the difference, guys. If you use 1.00, that is one standard, and then just a pips, one pips will give you $1. 1 pips will give you $1, and then 10 pips will give you $10. That is why it is risky to use high lot when your account cannot carry it, when your account is very, very low. Imagine I have a $100 account and then I use 0.50, and this is the lot size that someone that has $500 account, I mean 5,000 account can use. Imagine I have $100 account and I'm using 0.50, and this is the lot size someone that has 5,000 dollar account can use. So guys, don't blow up your account. Know that anything below $100 account is 0.01. Anything below, and then assuming you have $150 account, you can still use 0.02. It cannot affect you too much. And when you have a $800 account, don't forget that 0.08. That is the standard, and that's the rules of money management in Forex. That's the rules of money management in Forex. And again, I want to tell you, newbies, that it is important to set your stop loss and then your take profit. If you cannot monitor your trade, if you cannot stay with your screen, always use stop loss and take profit. That's the most important in Forex. If you did not use stop loss and take profit, it is very, very sure that market can come against you. This one stop loss is going to stop you out of the market if market goes against you, and take profit. If market goes in your favor, it will take the profit instead of the profit turning to minus. I want to tell you that in Forex, what goes up will surely comes down. What goes up will comes down. It is like a zigzag. Forex is like zigzag. What goes up will come down. If you have if your trade is already in profit, don't allow your trade to come back to come and be minus. It is better you take that average than to lose it all. It is better you take that average than to lose it all. Imagine you are in profit of $5 at this range, and then you did not take the profit in time. Your $5 can turn to minus $5. Your $5 can turn to minus $5 in your face. So it's good to take profit in time. Do not be greedy, guys. Do not be greedy. And again, before I go, I want to tell you that when you downloaded the Forex Factory, where you can be checking the news, always know that the red impact, the red box on the news, there is red, there is a deep red, there is deep red, there is red, and then gold, and then there is a yellow. Now this is high impact. Here is the high impact. High impact. Let me repeat this again. This will help you a lot if you watch this video and you watch it to the end. Now in the fundamental news, we have a deep red, very deep red column in front of the news. We have a gold column, and then we have a yellow color. This is a very high impact. Anywhere you check your Forex factory and you realize that the box before the box in front of the news is red, it is very high impact. It always affects Forex. This always affects Forex. High impact. And again, if it is this gold color is also a high impact, but not too high. And the yellow box here, the yellow box doesn't have much effect on the news. I'm going to do a video concerning the NFP news, how it affected our Forex when released. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. If you know that this video has done you good in one way or the other, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. That is the only money, that is the only assist you can do for me than to like and subscribe to my channel. I remain myself, Aditokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. Thank you and God bless you.